Naren replied, "No, I forgot. I prayed for wisdom, devotion and renunciation." When Ramakrishna asked him to go back, Naren went again and came back without asking for material support. Ramakrishna goaded him for the third attempt. This time, Naren remembered his need but was ashamed to pronounce it. He came back and requested Ramakrishna to do something for him. At that moment, Ramakrishna said, "With mother's blessing, your family will always have bare necessities of life." Naren's struggle on the path of spirituality and realization had begun.
সাহসে যে দুঃখ দৈন্য চাই, মৃত্যুরে যে বাঁধে বাহু পাশে, কাল নৃত্য করে উপভোগ, মাতৃরূপা তারই কাছে আসে।